Hello guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you the epic promotion of Crowd1. So, let's get it on! Let's get started. Free upgrade for all new and existing Crowd1 members. The epic promotion, which gives you a free upgrade when buying or upgrading a Crowd1 package, is valid until 23:59 Central European Time, June 5, 2020. When you join Crowd1 at any level, you will be upgraded for free. For new members, when you register for a white package, you will be upgraded to the black package. When you register for a black package, you will be upgraded to the gold package. When you register for a gold package, you will be upgraded to the titanium package. When you register for a titanium package, you will be upgraded to the brand new amazing Titanium Pro package. In the Titanium Pro package inclusions, you will get 2 times Crowd1 rewards of the Titanium package, 8% more Streamline bonus, free Crowd1 Titanium card, access to the new Crowd1 Pro support, the exclusive Crowd1 concierge services. Note, we have only a limited amount of Titanium Pro packages. For informations about package inclusions of the packages, you can watch the video presentation and all the details is already there. Just open the link below in the details. If you already are a Crowd1 member and do an upgrade, you will be upgraded to the next level for free. The epic promotion is the most powerful way ever for all new and existing Crowd1 members to exclusively upgrade their businesses and get the most amazing and incomparable start in online networking worldwide. Join us now. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to keep updated for new videos.